Hello and welcome back. In this video, we are going to be using the WordPress customizer to customize our WordPress website. The customizer is where you go to customize your WordPress website to another level. Using the WordPress customizer, you can change your site's title, tagline, add widgets to the sidebar or footer, create custom menus, change your homepage settings, change your logo, change your favicon, change your footer copyright text, and much more. Because there are so many different things that you can do with the WordPress customizer, in this video we are only going to be going over it briefly, and we are also going to be doing a few simple tasks with the customizer. We are going to upload a new logo for the site. We're going to change the footer text as well, so that we are not promoting the theme and WordPress. We are going to upload a favicon to the website. We will also change the site's title and tagline, and we might even do a couple of other things as well. So first we need to open the customizer. So there are a couple of ways for you to open the WordPress customizer. You could simply click customize at the top right here and it will take you to the customizer. Or you could go to your dashboard and then go to appearance and then customize right here. So this is the customizer. Within the customizer, your screen is split into two main sections. On the right, you can see a live preview of your site. So whenever you make any changes, you can actually see what you are doing. And then on the left, we have a menu with all the customization options. So for example, you can see things like your active theme, and you can also change your theme from here as well. And then at the bottom, you can also change the size of the screen that you are previewing your site for. So whilst you're making changes, you can make sure your site is mobile friendly by previewing your site on a mobile device, simply by clicking this little icon here. And then you can also preview it on a tablet by clicking this one. And then you can go back to desktop by clicking this one here. So this is very handy because it allows you to make sure that your site is mobile friendly whilst you are making changes to your site. So now let's start using the customizer. The first thing we are going to do is upload a logo and favicon to the site. So to do that, we can either hover over the header and then click the edit button, or alternatively, we could click header just here, and then it will open your header editing settings. So at the bottom of your screen, you can now see the layout for your header. So we want to click onto logo and site identity. And then here we can update the logo, site title, tagline, and also add an icon to the site. So let's start by uploading a new logo. So we're going to click change logo, and then I'm going to drag in my logo file. And then once it's uploaded, I will click select, and then I'm going to skip cropping. And there we go, we've uploaded our logo. So this looks a bit small, so I am going to expand the max logo width down here until the logo at the top looks good. I think 250 will be good. And then we will upload our site icon as well. So click change image down here. And I'll drag in the new icon. And once again, I will click select, skip cropping once more. And now we have uploaded an icon to the site as well. If I just go out of full screen for a second, you will see. Right at the top left, just here, you can see the new icon for the site. So now I am going to add a site title. I have already written it, so I'm just going to paste it in. And I am also going to upload a tagline for the site. Perfect, so that is all done now. I'm just going to turn off show site title because that is only needed if we do not have a logo uploaded. What that basically means is that it will show the title for the site, where the logo would be, but we have a logo, so that does not matter. So now we are going to click publish to save our changes because we do not want to lose what we have done. And now I'm going to go back to the main customizer menu. The next thing I'm going to do is edit the footer copyright text. This is the text I will be editing down here. So we'll click onto footer on the menu on the left, or I could click on this edit button down here to edit this footer element, and it will take me straight to it. But if you want to learn how to get to it the other way, I'll go back we can click onto footer and it will open the footer layout. Simply click onto the copyright element. And then here we can see what is already there. So this is what we want to edit. So you can just get rid of all of this and then put copyright and then your brand name. But what I'm going to do is get rid of this second line here. Change the Neve text to WP Masterclass. Change this link here so that it goes to the BlackBrick Training website, like so. And then I'm also going to paste in a copyright symbol right in front of the WP for WordPress Masterclass. So now I'll click Publish. And I'll close this menu, and we can't really read it because of this edit button, but it says copyright WP Masterclass and it links to the BlackBrick Training website. So now let's go back. And I am now going to show you a couple of different things that you can do with the WordPress customizer. So to change the font in your website, you want to go to Typography, General, and then here you can edit the font family. You can then transform the text so that it's all capital or lowercase or uppercase. I'm going to leave it as none. You can edit the text weight, the font size, the line height, and also the letter spacing. As well as that, you can change it on each device. So if I want to change the font size on mobile, I'll click mobile, and then I'll change the font size just for mobile devices. Now let's go back again. You can also change the font for headings. So we have the main font family, and then you can customize each of the different heading tags. So H1, 2, 3, 4, all the way to 6. And then you can also change the font settings for your blog as well by going to blog. So let's go back. If you want to change the colors for your WordPress website, go to colors and background. And then you can change some of the main colors here. For example, link color, link hover color, text color, background color, or you could even add a background image. From here, you can also change and edit menus and widgets as well, and also customize your home page. So you can choose what your home page displays, either your latest posts or a static page. You can choose which page is your home page and also which page is your blog page. And then you can also edit the layout for your site. You can customize the buttons on your site, add additional CSS to your site. And finally, at the bottom here, you can paste in header and footer scripts as well. So that is the WordPress customizer. I hope that this video has taught you something new, and I also hope that you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one. Once again, thanks and goodbye.